Teaneck is at the footstep of everywhere that you'd want to be. If you're commuting to the city, you're at the exit on the turnpike to shoot in for an easy car commute. You're walkable to the downtown district, the temples, the churches. You really are close to everything, and some of it you could even walk to. This home, 20 years young, would be considered virtually new construction for Bergen County. It has aspects you're not going to see anywhere else. Come on, I can't wait to show you. Welcome to this Teaneck 3-bed, 2.5 bath home. One of the first things you're going to notice is the high ceilings. On the first floor, on the second floor, and in the basement, higher than normal. The first floor passageway creates the flow of this home with the conveniences that you expect in a newer design. A first floor laundry room so you don't have to bring your dirty laundry to the basement. A half bath and access to both the basement and the side door. This is an eat-in kitchen, big enough for a huge table for 6 and access to a terrace that overlooks the backyard. This is a huge open concept kitchen with a lot of possibility. What would you do here? Well, let me give you an idea. This master bed and bath is big enough for you to have it all. Design it how you see fit. King size bed, chaise lounge, makeup table, you can have it all. Even the basement has extra high ceilings. They put an extra few courses of block down here. What would you do here? Rec room, workshop, man cave?